we are back with another video. In this video, we are going to make a simple translator, language translator using Python. As usual, I'm using Visual Studio Code as my IDE and I have made a file translator.py. So let's jump into the code. In this case, we need the Google Trans module and actually we need the alpha version. So this is the alpha version for Google Trans. So let's install it, and then we need the speech recognition module. Speech recognition. It has been installed, and then we need the GTTS. We are actually building a program which will actually, when we talk, when we just give the voice to the program, and it will automatically convert it into text form and then translate it, and then it will just translate the text into voice and then reply us. So to just play the sound, we need play sound, and we need another module which is PyAudio. You can install it using pip install PyAudio. This thing. Okay. Now let's import Google Trans, Google Translate. Just a short name for Google Translator, Google Trans, and then we need speech recognition. Speech_recognition. Since speech recognition is a long name, we simply give it a short name SR, and then we import Google Text-to-Speech TTTS. Then for playing the sounds, we import play sound. For removing the saved file, we need OS, which is a built-in module actually. Now let's make a recognizer. Just hear our voice. Recognizer is equal to sr.recog. Make sure R is in capital. Recognizer. Now we need to make the translator, which is the, actually you can say the heart of the program. Google Trans dot translator. Okay. Then you need to specify the input language. I write here English, and the output language. The code for we need to just actually convert the English words into for the demo purpose I will be converting into Spanish. You can choose any other language. Are you worried about the codes for each language has? Just don't worry, because you can simply print Google Trans dot languages. Okay, just I'm showing you a thing. Let's comment it. Okay. Just a second. We comment it, and then this thing. And now just from this thing. You can see these are all the languages that Google Translator can translate for you. These are the codes you can see for Marathi MR, for Japanese JA, for Spanish ES, for Telugu TE, etc. and so on. So you can get it using Google Trans. For the time being, let's comment this line and uncomment these lines. Okay. Now we need to add a try from. Try and accept. Try with sr.microphone. accept source. And now it should ask Google to convert it into speech, to recognize it and convert it into speech. So recognize dot recognize Google, and here this is the source voice, and then language is equal to input language and now we should print the text. As we have added a try block, we should add the accept block, and here you can write couldn't understand, speak again, like this things. And then let's make a variable translated. This is the actual thing. Now our voice is converted into text here in this part. Now we want to translate the text to another language. So let's do it. Translator dot translate, and here you should write text. This is this thing, and then destination. Actually, destination is the output language. This is the language you will expect the output. For example, you are just saying some the words in English and you want to convert it into Spanish. So Spanish is our output language and English is our input language. So here you need to give the output language. This thing. Okay, now let's print translate dot text, and now it has converted our voice to text and translated our text to another language, and now it should reply and convert the text into voice or convert the text into speech. So converted audio is equal to gdts dot gdts. Make sure in the next part T, P and S be in capital letters and round brackets, and then translated dot text comma language is equal to output language. Okay. Here you need to save the converted audio. Dot save, and here you have to write the file name in inverted commas. So I'm writing here audio dot mp3. So we are done with it, and now just we need to play the sound. Play sound dot play sound, and here we need to specify the name again, audio dot mp3. So in this code we are just saving the audio.mp3 file every time when we are running this code. We are just saving the audio.mp3 every time. So it is just taking the storage and just making your computer slow. So to avoid this problem, we will just simply After playing a sound, remove this audio.mp3 file. So, audio.mp3 is a temporary file. It once gets saved in your computer and gets played, and then by the OS it gets removed. Okay, now let's run it. Hi, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Who are you?
¿Quién es usted?
Have you heard it? Speaking the Spanish language? So we are successful in making a language translator using Python and within 28 lines of code. So guys, please hit on the like button and please subscribe, and if you have any queries or doubts related to this video, please let me know it in the comments below. And please do share it with your family and friends. So bye friends, meet you in the next